Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm referring to my new viewers and my return subscribers. You all are amazing. Thank you so much, my darlings. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I cooked egusi soup in large quantity to feed a very big family, and these are the key ingredients that I'm using, or rather that I use to cook this soup. Okay, these ingredients or these foodstuffs, I brought them from Nigeria, and I have a video where I shared with you guys foodstuff that I traveled with to America. So in case you would like to see that video, I'll share the link in the description box. Okay, so the goat meat, I got it from an African store, and the shaki, I found it in the freezer. Okay, so yeah, I'm adding salt now. I've already added Maggi cubes, yes, and definitely I'm going to be adding onions. Okay, all of this I'm using to steam the meat together. Okay, now my darlings, enjoy watching this video to the very end, and while you watch, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, as it goes a long way in encouraging me, and also it helps my channel grow. To my new viewers, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and join Becky the Mommy's YouTube family. I would really love and appreciate you to subscribe to my channel and enjoy watching my content. Okay, so now let's continue with the cooking. So guys, after mixing all the ingredients together, I covered up the pot and allowed the meat to steam with its own water, okay, before adding a little bit of water, and I covered it up again. So what you see me doing here is blending onions, crayfish and fresh pepper together, and I'll be using this mixture to fry with the red oil before frying the egusi itself. Keep watching, my darlings, you will definitely see how I'm going to be doing that. Okay, so after blending the mixture together, I came back to the steaming pot, and ta-da, as you can see, the meat is steaming very well, and the aroma in the kitchen was something else. So guys, this is the mackerel fish. It's already been washed, and I'm adding the fish to the steaming pot, just as you can see. Okay, so guys, after taking out the goat meat from the pot, because it's been steaming for a while now, I just had to take it out to give the mackerel fish some space to steam just for a few minutes, not for too long. So here, what you see me doing is I'm bringing out the stock fish and the dry fish that I want to cook with, and then I'm going to soak them all together with boiled water, okay, to clean out the dirt before using them to cook. Okay. guys, after letting the mackerel fish steam for a few minutes, just so the taste of the goat meat, the spices will just, get right into the fish, if you get what I mean. So while the fish was still frying, I quickly used the meat stock to dissolve the egusi, but of course that wasn't going to be enough. So I added boiled water that I already had down, that I already boiled down for this. So yeah, I'm trying to dissolve the egusi so I can avoid lumps when frying the egusi. I usually do not fry egusi directly with the oil. This is just how I prefer to cook egusi soup, and I would love to know in the comment section how you cook egusi soup. Okay, please share with me. So my darlings, as you can see, the oil was heated up at this point, and I added the crayfish, onions and fresh pepper that I blended together to fry with the red oil. Okay, this is palm oil. And so after stirring and getting everything to mix properly, I added non-seasoning powder, to add some taste to the soup, just for taste anyway. Then after adding the non-seasoning powder, I let the whole mixture cook for a little while, as you can see, just for a few minutes, and thereafter I added the egusi that has already been dissolved. Okay, my darlings, please keep watching and check if you've liked the video at this point. If you've not, kindly give it a big thumbs up, okay, while you keep watching. Well, that's a whole lot of stirring I did there, so the egusi would mix properly with the palm oil. Okay, so after stirring, I had to add the water to the pot, and then I started adding the condiments. The first thing you saw me add is the steamed meat, and here I'm adding the dry fish, properly washed dry fish, no atom of sand. Okay, my darlings, then after adding the fish, I'll cover up the pot and let the soup cook for a few minutes rather, before I'll add the next ingredients. Keep watching, my darlings. Guys, as you can see, the face of the soup is changed. It is at this point you know that your soup is ready, like when you can swallow the soup with eba or fufu or semo, whatever swallow that you prefer to eat with your soup. Okay, so this is green. There's a leaf called green, not ugu. This is not ugu, this is green. Okay, and it's sliced, so that's what I'm adding to the soup. Okay, so after adding the leaf to the soup, of course this is the last stage, I'll stir and mix everything together. At this point, obviously the soup is ready, is cooked. As you can see, the egusi soup is lumpless, like no atom of lump. It's yummy. Oh my goodness. By the time I allowed the soup to rest after cooking it, the soup was was thick. I don't know the magic, or rather the soup became thick again. Like, oh God, goodness God. Adding fried mackerel fish to a greasy soup elevates the taste and aroma of the soup. Okay, if that makes sense. And then plus the dry fish and the goat's meat. All the condiments used in cooking this soup was just on point. So my darlings, the soup done. Oh, it done ready. Here I'm dishing the soup. You guys look at the face of the soup once more. Just take a good look at the face of this yummy goodness. So my darlings, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you so much.